Hello friends, today let's see how to make kollu thuvayal or horse gram thuvayal. Now this horse gram is very good for reducing bad cholesterol in the body. So if you want to, if you're working towards weight loss, you can have this. And this is also good for cold, cough and fever. This reduces phlegm in the body. So it's either ways for weight loss as well as cold and cough. It is very good. Now let's see how to make. Heat oil. And add horse gram. Now I've taken about 2 tablespoons of horse gram. Fry it well till this changes color and it starts emitting a nice aroma. Now the color has changed well and there's a nice aroma. Do this in low heat, otherwise this will start spluttering outside and it might hurt. Now to this, add 2 red chilies. Now this is again according to your heat preference. 1 clove of garlic. You can switch off and remove from heat. Required amount of salt. And a teaspoon of freshly grated coconut. A small piece of soaked tamarind. Now cool this completely and grind it into a paste. Add a little water and grind it into a paste. Kollu chutney is ready, or kollu thuvayal is ready. Make it a little watery and you can use it as a chutney for idli, dosa recipes and different varieties. And make it a little bit thick and you can use it for rice. Then you can call it as kollu thuvayal. It's the same procedure for both, just the dilution differs. Add a small pinch of jaggery to it to enhance the taste. The smell is so good. Please try this. Thanks for watching. Kollu chutney or kollu thuvayal is ready. Now in case you don't want to add garlic to this, you can always add a pinch of asafoetida along with the horse gram when you fry it. It is optional. Either you can use garlic or you can use asafoetida. Since it's a legume, it might give some gas problem if you don't add asafoetida or ginger or garlic. So you can substitute with either of it. I have given the recipe in the description box. Please refer to it if you have any doubts.